Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to add RFID card to Apple Wallet. So there are 3 steps to do that. Well, first, to add RFID card, you must have an iPhone 6s or later, or Apple Watch Series 3 or later. Also, the latest versions of them, and you're gonna be signed in on your device with Apple ID. You're gonna have participating employer, an application provided by the employer, your employee credentials. This process requires a third-party app, so you're gonna head to the App Store and download an app like a Card NFC for iPhone. You're gonna go to download it and follow the instructions to scan the RFID card. After that, after you set up, you may tap your iPhone or Apple Watch to emulate the RFID card signal through the app. So you can do that with some, not all, student IDs, boarding passes, digital keys to access the door. That is it.